think we've all dealt with Mercury retrograde periods and understood that they can create a lot of confusion and a lot of miscommunications and all kinds of snags that we have to deal with. And of course, if we're dealing with the stock market, this presents some very specific potential problems for us. For many years, I've understood that while Mercury is retrograde, my own trading tends to be a good bit less effective when I'm actively trading in the markets. And certainly I make more mistakes in my market analysis. So what I've had to learn to do is accommodate that and kind of take my own analysis with a grain of salt as I've worked with that. But it has been something that's really bugged me for a long time, and because of that, I decided it was time to do some empirical research, to take a real hard look at what Mercury retrograde periods actually do to the stock market based on the historical evidence. And with that research, I got very, very involved in looking not only at the stock market in the U.S., but other market indices from around the world, an analysis of individual equities, looked at some commodities futures as well, and learned a whole lot about the actual measurable results of what happens when Mercury goes retrograde. And that's what became a part of this book on Mercury, money, and the markets. Now, this book covers a good bit more than just the information on Mercury retrograde periods. There's an analysis in here of lots of different individual equities, market indices from around the world. We do analysis of the astrological charts. It gives the results of the back testing. And then at the end of the book, there's also a 201-year Mercury retrograde ephemeris included in this specific book. So it's really designed for traders who want to figure out how to use Mercury cycles effectively in their own trading. I decided it was time for me to stop being a victim of the Mercury retrograde periods and figure out what was actually going on. That's why I'm enthusiastic about being able to share this information in Mercury, money, and the markets with you. So take a look. It's available at Amazon.com and also from the publisher at Harmonic Research Associates .com as well. So check it out. I think you'll find it very, very useful if you're interested in being more effective in the markets while Mercury is retrograde.